Hello, this is Analytics AIML, a business that is dedicated in using artificial intelligence and machine learning to help businesses and people grow their online sales and to improve their online brand awareness. The manufacturing industry is in decline, a very steep decline. According to Brookings Institution, over the last 40 years, it's been reported that nearly 7 million manufacturing jobs in the U.S. have been decimated. And so this has been attributed to a variety of factors, including globalization, offshoring, and automation. We will touch more on the automation part. Automation is mostly due to artificial intelligence and machine learning. Well, what exactly is artificial intelligence? According to Google here, artificial intelligence is simply the development of computer systems to be able to help a computer operate just like a human being. Some of the applications of artificial intelligence include visual perception, speech recognition, decision making, and language translation. At Analytics AIML, we use artificial intelligence to help businesses improve their sales, to see what they can do in their sales pipeline process to be able to get more of the customers to buy products and their services from them. So we touched on another important part. Another term you've heard is machine learning. Machine learning is simply known as a type of artificial intelligence that provides computers with the ability to help them learn without being programmed. In other words, machine learning is simply being able to help a machine or a computer be able to learn by itself. So for example, this could be helpful in machines and manufacturing learning how to produce a certain product or service without defects. And so manufacturing industry has recently been facing something called Industry 4.0, which is simply a stage in which everything in manufacturing is dealing with a large data exchange and all the business processes are being automated. And so if you're not using artificial intelligence and machine learning, then your manufacturing company is going to get left behind and you're going to be out of the industry. And so recently, because of these drastic changes, the CEOs of 3 of Germany's largest manufacturing companies recently visited the White House. And they had mentioned the importance of German-style retraining programs because there has been a problem of not enough qualified workers. And so these German-style retraining programs would simply help to train the workers to be able to get the skills that they need in order to be able to work in manufacturing. And so this is very, very critical and very, very important. And this is mostly due to, of course, they said transformations. The CEO said vocational retraining programs are even more important as robotics and artificial intelligence began to radically transform manufacturing. And so the transformation is here. On the other side, I will give you 2 very, very good examples of how artificial intelligence is positively impacting the manufacturing sector. And one example, a German-based software company named Sofico helps an Austrian-based manufacturing company named Fronius to help them automate their business processes. And so you can see here in this case study here that some of the challenges that were faced by Fronius, including the lack of continuous communication between the enterprise resource processing systems and the shop floor. Also, a lot of manufacturing companies and companies in general have a lot of legacy data, older data that is still on older machinery and older programs. Well, in order to monitor and improve your processes, they need to be on software that can be analyzed and improved. And so this is a similar problem that they faced in which that wasn't possible. And this was among several other problems they faced, including the inability to communicate between their diverse workforce that spoke different languages. So simply what Sophius was able to do was use artificial intelligence to be able to help improve their business platform, to be able to take large data and transfer it into a format that's able to be analyzed. And so this, of course, leads to the benefits of a reduction of manual efforts, so that a lot of tedious human labor doesn't have to be used, so that a lot of humans, a lot of workers can focus on more important tasks that are more pertinent to the business. I will mention here that manufacturing is known to be $1 trillion industry. And so time literally is money. A wrong step or a simple mistake can cost you millions or even billions of dollars. And so this is the power of artificial intelligence, and this is one example of it. Another example of the use of artificial intelligence, we can look no further than the company that we know as Siemens. Siemens is very, very huge in the optimization of gas turbines. So with the gas turbines, an expert that was dealing with gas turbines was able to leave, and artificial intelligence was completely able to take over and be able to drop the emission of nitrous oxides by 20%. Now that's pretty huge. So this means that artificial intelligence, this is what it's going to take in order to compete in the global economy. And so I would like to just conclude by re-emphasizing that artificial intelligence is getting machines to be able to help humans be able to perform their jobs more easily. And this is the industry 4.0. This is the new economy. And so for manufacturing companies, I implore you to look deeper into your analytics to be able to find someone that can be able to help you source multiple data sources together in order for you to be able to compete in this new economy. This is Analytics AI ML. Thanks for watching.